It's about 100 degrees outside, so it's the perfect day to try the Mama Fuku noodle. How they come.
It's the time of the
These tests for the tingly chili wavy noodle.
So good. But it does have a kicker, so keep in mind the tingly chili is tingly. It's spicy, it has a little heat, but it's not too crazy.
Taste test for the soy and scallion noodles.
This one's so good. And the green onions, chef's kiss.
Last but not least, the spicy soy noodles. Not too spicy at all. It's actually very, very good. So if you like heat, the tingly chili would be the one. If you don't like any heat at all, the soy scallion noodle would be for you. And if you are mild, spicy soy noodle. Variety pack comes with 5 of each, so make sure to take advantage of it. Click on the orange card.